We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensure a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.